In this exercise, we will learn the color replacement tool. Basically, this tool is used for replacing a color on an existing color. It is a great tool. Okay, let's see how it'll work. If I right-click on the brush tool, we can see the color replacement tool underneath the pencil tool. Or we can press Shift and B to select this tool. Okay, now I have selected this tool. Let's try to change its color. If I click and paint on this subject, we can see it perfectly changes the color. Okay, if I paint on the background, something like that, you can see it's not affecting too much. Okay, now let's see the above control options. If I choose color, it will then be a different effect when we paint on it. Something like that. It will darken the color, but we also notice that we are affecting the other areas on this color mode. Okay, next, if I choose saturation and paint on it, something like that, we can see we are not getting good results. It'll just saturate a little bit. But if I choose luminosity, let's undo that and paint on it. Something like that. We can see it is not perfectly affecting the colors. My opinion is color and hue is the best option to replace any color. Next, we have the sampling once option. The sampling once option and background switch option, in my opinion, are not the best choices. Next, we have the discontinuous and contiguous option. We can choose any of them. And we find the edges option. My opinion is the contiguous option is the best to work on an image. Okay, next we have the tolerance option. It's just an option to increase or decrease the color effects. Okay, let's increase the tolerance to 100% and paint on it. Something like that. You can see it has a very dark effect. If I decrease it to 1% and paint on it, something like that, then we can see it's not affecting very much. Okay, next we have anti-alias option. Let's check this one on. Next, we have the pen pressure option. If you have a tablet, then you can choose this option. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the mixture brush tool.